In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a profit and loss statement in QuickBooks Online. A profit and loss, or P&L, shows your total income, costs, and expenses over a specific period, so you can quickly see whether your business made a profit and where your money is going. It's one of the most important financial reports to review regularly. Once you're in your QuickBooks Online company, start by heading to Reports on the left-hand panel. This opens the main reports area where you'll see different sections. Go to the Standard tab to view the built-in reports that come with QuickBooks. These are ready to run and don't require any setup. Now, find Profit and Loss in the list and click it to run the report. Depending on your data size, it may take a moment to load. When it appears, you'll see income at the top, followed by cost of goods sold, expense categories, and finally your net income. This layout helps you understand your profitability at a glance. Next, customize the time frame so the numbers reflect exactly what you need. Use the date range at the top to choose options like this month, last month, this quarter, or year to date. You can also enter custom start and end dates. Picking the right period is key for accurate comparisons and decision making. For deeper control, click Customize at the top right to see all available options. This panel lets you refine what appears on the report. For example, you can choose the accounting method that matches how you track your books, adjust rows and columns to show or summarize details, apply filters to focus on specific segments like classes or locations, and tweak the header and footer to clean up the presentation. You don't have to change everything. Just review what's there and make the report as clear and relevant as possible for your needs. If you've dialed in a view, you'll want to reuse, click Save to preserve these settings. Give your custom report a helpful name and description so it's easy to recognize later. You can return to it anytime under the Custom Reports tab in the Reports area. This saves time and keeps your reporting consistent month after month. And there you go. By opening Reports, selecting the Standard tab, running the Profit and Loss report, adjusting the date range, exploring the Customize options, and saving your preferred view, you've created a clear, actionable P&L in QuickBooks Online. Review it regularly to stay on top of your revenue, expenses, and profitability. That's all.